Hi Horizon Kids, this week we're looking at the Holy Spirit and we're going to be making this. So first, we're going to want to measure our heads, okay? So I've got a tape measure and I'm just going to go around my head like this and I'll see where that's at. Oh my goodness, I've got a big head. Okay. Then it's much bigger than a piece of paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 2 rows and I'll do that now. Okay, and I'll cut these in half as well. Let's see. That's long enough now. So I'm going to get a stapler and staple these 2 together. One. Now, because I want it to be like a headband, I'm going to go around like this and check that it's right. That's right. And holding it there, I'll put some staples there too. There you go, that's one part already done. Now, you can colour this in if you want, and we're going to do something to that later. Okay, now we're going to draw a flame. So I'm going to draw mine facing this way, and it's going to be nice and big. So that's what my one looks like, but yours can look however you want. Now I've got some really cool coloured paper and I'm going to cut this up into lots of different pieces and stick it on my flame. So there we go, we have all our different colours and now I'm going to stick them on my fire to make a fire. Now you don't have to do this, you can also do painting or colouring, you can use whatever you want, it's your choice and I'm excited to see some photos of everything that you make. It always makes me so happy. And there we go. So that's my fire and now we're going to cut them out. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our headband that we made earlier and we're going to stick our flame to the front of it. Now you can stick it however you want. I'm going to use a stapler again because it's nice and easy. And you want to put it in the middle. There you go. Now let's see if it fits. Ta-da! Our Holy Spirit headband.